Jamaica is now looking to develop itself as the technological hub of the Caribbean. And Portmore will become the Silicon Valley of Jamaica. That is our intention. We are going to make Portmore a parish, and we are going to make Portmore the city parish, and we are going to make Portmore the technological capital of the Caribbean, because you have here the human resources. And as I say, I see a lot of young people. You have the young people who have the basic requirement to be given that kind of what they call IT training. And you also have here a very good representation of the global services industries. You call it BPO, but we move away from that long time. What we are going to create here now is called knowledge services. The people who write the programs, the people who check and correct the programs, the people who do the accounting, the people who do the auditing, the people who do the legal and paralegal, the people who do read the medical records and the medical charts. All of that is a new industry that we are going to create. And that is why I went to India to form a partnership with the Indian Institute of Technology and other such institutes in India with heart, so that we can build and expand on this, the first technologically oriented institute for training in Jamaica. So we have big plans for Portmore. So when I say we're going to make Portmore a parish, it's not just because it looks good politically, because this area will need to be administered differently. This area will need its own form of government. There are some other things that we are doing. You may not see them yet, but they have started. How many of you know about Grange Lane? Grange Lane is $925 million. And that has started. Brayton to part of Hellshire. That is from Nago's Head to the part of Hellshire leading to Greater Portmore. That will start either late this year or early next year. And that is for $2.4 billion. We're going to do a new entry to Portmore. That is from Mandela, widening Municipal Boulevard leading to Grange Lane. That is going through the investment assessment process. So Portmore will have its own dedicated entry. So that is going to really now expand Portmore. Not to mention the work that we are doing in Bernard Lodge. We're going to have in that area about 15,000 new houses when it is finished. Already about 3,000 houses have already started to be built there, and more to come, and it's going to move very rapidly. And the Factories Corporation has planned a massive tech park for Nago's Head. So when you put the whole thing together, new roads to manage the traffic, 15,000 new houses for people to live, only for young people who just graduate, go and get them the house there. Plus the tech park, a massive tech park with the people that we train to do the IT. Yes, Portmore going to become Little Miami when we're done.